We always live such busy lives, and sometimes it's important for us to forget about the city life and go back to the roots. And is there a better way than to do it in the wilderness? I am in my uncle's estate, and this is the first episode in a series of 3. Watch out for this episode till the end to enjoy the beauty of nature. So, let's crack on with it!
Fish curry village style. This is a mouth-watering fish curry. Fish is simmered in aromatic spices, and this yummy curry is finished off with ground coconut paste. Perfect lunchtime curry served with hot rice. I managed to get some bricks from my uncle's house, and the dry woods are from the surroundings. Heat an earthen pot, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 6 sliced small onions, 1 tablespoon sliced ginger, half teaspoon sliced garlic, 4 slit green chilies, curry leaves. Saute till it becomes translucent. Mix all the powders and add to the sauteed onions. Fry the powders for a couple of seconds and immediately pour 2.5 cups of water, half cup of sliced raw mango and salt. Let this mixture boil. Then add 200 grams of fish. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Then add the ground coconut paste. Incorporate everything really well. Cook for another 5 minutes. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then cover it with the banana leaf and take the pot from the flame. Let it sit for half an hour. Yardlong bean stir fry. These yardlong beans are from the garden which I had picked up in the morning. Crush 3 small onions, a pinch of jeera and 3 bird's eye chili if you have. Otherwise, use 2 green chilies. Heat a cast iron pan, add coconut oil, half teaspoon mustard seeds, curry leaves, add the crushed small onions and half chopped onions. Saute with half teaspoon of turmeric. Then add the yardlong beans and salt. Mix everything well and cook till it's done. This amazing yardlong bean stir fry is fresh and simple to make. Yummy!
This cooking experience has been rejuvenating. Hope you like the food and the scenic setup. Stay tuned for the next couple of episodes on nature cooking. Don't forget to leave your comment on this. Take care. Bye-bye.